Right, this last task here, what I want you to do is to choose any two of the Sustainable Development Goals, okay? A lot of people go for the first couple, and it's fine if you want to choose no poverty or zero hunger, but I'd like some people to choose some of the other ones that are seem a bit more random until you look into them, okay? You've got this QR code and the link behind this this title here will take you to the SDG information for young people. So that's targeted towards people, in years 7, 8, and 9. But if you want to go to the actual SDG website, you can go to this link or this QR code, and they're the official information about the SDGs. Okay, so you are to create 2 slides. One for each goal, and imagine you're just trying to define that sustainable development goal to a year 6 student that doesn't know anything about sustainable development goals. Okay, so you can choose any 2 and you just make 1 slide on each one. Okay,